Okay, today what I got to do is replace this faucet. For some reason it just started leaking. So we're going to have a few tools here. We're going to have this tool here that if you've been watching my videos, you'll see what it's used for. But it's my invention. It's the Jackson Faucet Tool. We're going to use a pair of Craftsman channel locks, and if I can find it, an adjustable thumb wrench. But what we're going to do is get up under here and take all this stuff apart. Now I've done a rerun. All these water pipes are new. That's why the wall's out in here. And we've replaced everything. Got to put that wall piece back. But first thing you got to do is shut off these valves. So those are shut off. The water's dripping a little bit, which is okay. And I got to take those off first thing. Got to take those off. I'm going to record as much of this as I can. But first thing we got to do is get these hoses off. Gotta take that hose off. Oh, jeez. Jeez Louise. Okay, got that off. So now what I'm going to do is take this pipe, take this tool, and this in here is going to slide over. I'm going to run it up in there, all the way up in there. And take that loose. Just like that. So now I push that back out of there. Easy for me to say. And then, as you can see, just take that back out of there. Might be able to reuse them, I don't know. I'm still getting some drips. Don't know why. Man, it's hard working under this sink. When you're not 20 years old no more. So now, gonna do the same thing here. Gonna run this tool up here. I hope you can see it. Just like that, and we're going to take that one off. just like that, and take it out of the tin. And now we're going to take the spray nozzle hose off. Got a little bit of stuff falling down here. Okay, got that loose. And, I got that out of there. Where's all that water dripping from? Getting quite a bit of accumulation of a little bit of water here. So, but try to see if we can see the rest of it here. I'll take my tool and stick it up here. You can't see that, can you? Alright. Now, so that's pretty tight, so I gotta get the pliers on my tool to get them broke loose. Once I get them broke loose, they'll come out pretty easy. Trying to get the camera where you can see it. If you want one of these tools, there's only one place on earth to get it, and that is Discount Appliance Parts in Altamont Springs, Florida. And they have a Facebook page, and they have a website. Golly. It's raining on me. Okay, now that I got all that done, now I'll just pull that out, and it's out. Now I gotta open a new one and put it back right here where that old one was. What's good about this tool is it don't matter. Like this faucet came with these bolts here. The wrench will still fit on there. See that? Fits right on there to be able to reach up in there. It's a little bit different operation here. And then here's the nut that goes on the water sprayer. I got to get under there and tighten it up. So this has 4 slots in it, and it just gets on there and puts it right on. So now I've got everything taken apart. Now I got to start putting it back together. We're going to put this single handle back in instead of the dual handle. And you've got to use these holes here and use this to tighten it up. And then you bolt your water on here and here, and your spray nozzle here. And let's see, this one says hot, so that's the hot side. So that's cool, hot side. So that would be the front, because the hot's on that side and the cold's on this side. So yeah, you want to get it on there right. I can't see my camera very good, but this is the hot side with the label on it, cold water. And then just shove that up on there for the quick connect right there for that. Well, as you can see about where I'm at on everything, my battery may go dead on the camera before I get finished, but you can see what I'm doing. And I'll try to get as much on the video as I can. But if I don't, I appreciate you guys watching. And give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the video if you would. And I would really appreciate it. Subscribing to the video is probably the most important thing other than watching the video. All the comments are great, but it don't really pay anything. And they keep telling us that you can get all the comments you want and all the thumbs ups that you want, but it don't really calculate to anything as far as YouTube goes. They say, that's what they say. They say, we don't care. We don't care. You can get all the comments and thumbs ups that you want, but we are not. We don't care about that. So, just so you know, this is Harold with WorldTVOnDemand.com. I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. Hopefully, some of you might want to do a home project and won't go out and talk to Ben over at Discount Appliance Parts and get you one of these tools. See how nice that was? Just got right up there and tightened that up. I hope you could see it. Now I'm going to put the two thumb bolts on. I'm still getting a little water dripped on me. I don't know why. Don't know why. See, these go on a whole lot easier because they ain't no gunk on them. Right there, about right there. Somewhere right there. Now I gotta get the other one on there. Whew. Now all this is going to have to be ripped out and redone. It's done too much damage. The countertop's messed up. So, even though I'm putting this faucet in for now, just to stop the leak, still got a lot of work to do. I had to go up topside and make sure it was straight. Looked good to me. But the boss ain't here to tell me what she thinks about it, so I just have to go with my gut. So that's that. Now, I don't know if these new ones are long enough. Let me see if they're going to be long enough. Oh yeah, that's long enough. So, I'm just going to put this on one of them. Why? If it's still recording, you don't have to be real tight. Just snug it up. Snug as a bug in a rug on both of them. Snug as a bug in a rug. These are 20-inch pipes here. Connectors. Snug as a bug in a rug. And then the hot one goes to the hot side. Just like that. The cold one goes to the cold side, just like that. Last thing you got to do right here is plug this in. You got to plug this quick connect in. Okay, so I changed batteries in the camera. I got it all done. Whew. So you see the water's flowing, man. It's hot and that's cold. Just like that. Take the little spray nozzle out and spray it. Works real good. So other than rebuilding the whole cabinet setup, I'm going to call this job done for now. And I'll have another video for you soon. You guys have a great day. Subscribe to the channel. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.